Hey guys, welcome to Research Rocks. One more interesting video related on NRI people. If you are living outside India and you have NRI account and sometimes your bank card is gonna expire. So currently I'm living Europe and my NRI account available on ICICI Bank and my current card is expire on next month. So how to apply this card and how I receive this card in here in Copenhagen, Denmark, but my bank is located on Hyderabad in Indian branch and I apply very easily on internet banking of ICICI, and today I am receiving NRI and NRO 2 debit card here in Copenhagen. Bank are charging me fees 425 INR only, just 7 to 8 euro. It's very cheap and I am receiving this card within 1 week here in Copenhagen. It's very interesting. So now in this video I'll provide you unboxing as well as some of the information how I apply and what is the process, how long take time to receive this card here in Copenhagen, Denmark. So first of all we will see how I apply the card on my internet banking. So let's check it out now in laptop screen. So first of all you enter here in your internet banking, and after that here card and loans related options are available. You just simply click here. If you reissue of debit card or credit card, depend upon your requirement is a debit card. Because of my debit card gonna expire on upcoming month, and here generated PIN, block card and reissue card options are available. You just simply press here reissue of card, and after that here two bank account I have. One is a NRI and second one is a NRO. So here I just simply select here, and my communication address I already updated this address located on Copenhagen, Denmark. So the address is automatically coming here. If I click here, so after within a minute I'm receiving one of the email like this. So look at this, your request is a reissue debit card, account number so and so. I apply here 13th of February and today is the 20th of February. Within a 7 day I am receiving my debit card here in Copenhagen. It's very simple to reissue of debit card or credit card if your card is gonna expire. No matter where you living, if you have NRI account in India or any other country and you are living in outside the country, so most of banks are providing such kind of facilities. So now we will see unboxing which types of card they are providing me. It's easy, and this service is very fast like a DHL they are using. Inside the box they are providing ICICI fully secure packet. I just simply open here second package because of I ordered two card. Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav. So I am receiving those card and I open here. Now I am receiving this card 2023 to 30, around 7-year validity of this card. Okay, this is my first card. Okay, look at this. This is my one card and this is my second card. Two card I am receiving, NRE and NRO. How you active new card, all information bank are providing you top of the card. So accordingly you can use the mobile application or internet and then accordingly update your card. This is a simple video how you reissue if you are living in outside India and receive any kind of debit card, credit card, no matter where are you living. So if you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.